Guys, that is nice. Like, really?
I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'm a shit.
No, since this is like your first situation.
Okay guys, my name is Romeo and I'm a friend of Temba. So Temba decided today to make us a very good special. I decided to call it because he said it's very famous in Gauteng.
Yeah.
So
he's
from Gauteng, I'm from the Western Cape. So I decided to name this interesting figure thingy food to name it a Gauteng special because it's my first time. So yeah, I don't know how to eat this, but I'm gonna...
Wait, I'll explain now. Okay,
so I'm gonna open everything and then I will decide when to eat
no,
what.
But that's not how you eat it. You literally eat it like this. Then you eat it like a burger. You don't open it up.
But you see, this thing is big.
Yeah,
my mouth.
It is big, I know, but that's not. You literally just hold it. You squeeze it together.
Okay, so I must squeeze it together.
Don't squeeze it too much because you're gonna take the good stuff away.
Okay, the good stuff away. Okay, and this is the coffee.
This is the coffee.
He made us coffee. I think it's Jacob's. Yes, it's Jacob's coffee. Oh my god.
Okay, what do we have? We have obviously bread toasted.
Yeah, the bread.
And then there's an egg, there's cheese, there's polony, there's a burger, there's chips, there's lettuce,
and then
sauces, tomato sauce, and
mayonnaise. Okay.
And salt.
And salt. And then where's my aromat thingy? Okay, I threw aromat on this, but the chips is still harder.
I cooked
no, don't you lie.
So if the chips are bad, it's him. Everything else, he was rushing the stuff.
I must be bad at something. I don't know.
No, but I want to see you taste it and then you tell me how it tastes and be honest. Should I show you how you go? Then you go.
Yes, you show me.
So you taste it and then you just. No, I'll just tell you how it tastes.
Okay, so I must tell you how it tastes.
Wait.
I'm not ready. Thank you.
Can you tell me how it tastes? It's really good. It's my stomach. You must take like a big bite so you can get like.
I'm not ready.
This is gonna take a while.
Guys, that is nice. Like, really? You must start selling this.
Literally, let's make this a business. Actually, I am.
So guys, the Gauteng special is something else. It tastes so good.
I'm going in business, guys.
I wasn't ready for that big bite, but oh, I'm a survivor.
That is what you are.
It's really nice. I don't eat a lot, so this was okay for me now. I'm gonna take this to campus so that I can sell it there like in pieces. Yeah guys, it's nice.
And I guess that's how we end the video.
I
guess that's how we end the video.
I guess that's it.
We were gonna speak about something, but someone.
Talk about what? Talk about what?
No, it's fine.
Talk about me. I must go to campus. It's dark here. Das ist Cape
Guys,
Town.
do you see the light?
Das ist Cape
Do
Town.
you see the light? It's literally not dark. Oh my god, the song is playing.
Du like the song?
Yeah, it's a full task. I'm joking.
Old times. How old are you?
I'm joking.
Oh. Then I'll be at your way. And you still till the end, I'll always be right by your side. But as for me, one in my heart, till the end. Like this is really nice. I thought this is not gonna taste nice, but it's good.
I'm doing Well guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, you know I do, and yeah, we can't wait to see you in the next one. See you, well, you're gonna see me, but catch you in the next video.
Well, bye guys. I hope it was nice having me here.
Yeah, let me know what you think about Romeo, you know, the shebang, comment section, do the things.
Follow me on Instagram, Romeo Yankees. Yeah.
I'll put it in the description below.
Thank you, darling. Guys, I'm a UWC cheerleader.